So cube root has three topics: introductions. Then we have cubes. Cubes is divided into two parts where you cubes, and then we have so we have seven where you'll cube roots. So cube root you'll do it's divided into two subtopics where you will learn how to find a root of a cube. And we are starting with introduction where we are introduced a character called a famous mathematician called Ramanujan and a professor called G.H. Hardy. G.H. Hardy was visiting Ramanujan in a taxi with a phone number of with a taxi number of 1729 1029. Now, Professor Hardy thought 1729 was quite a boring number or a dull number as he described. However, Ramanujan described this as one of the most interesting number. Now, why is it interesting? Let's find out. So he said it is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cube roots and in two different ways. Now, 1729, that is 1729, can be expressed as the sum of 1728 plus 1. So 1728 it can be expressed as the cube of 12, and 1 can be expressed as a cube of 1 itself. Now, here he has expressed 1729 as a sum of two cubes. At the same time, 1729 can be expressed as the form of 1000 plus 729, which is 10 cube plus 9 cube. So in the previous chapter, that is square and square roots, we learned that the square could had some interesting patterns, and we learned some 4, 5, 6 of them, and that you can refer to the previous videos where I've discussed squares. Now, let's find out what are cubes. So Navneet, this is where the cube comes. So a cube, mathematically or geometrically, we describe as where the sides are all equal and it is in 3D dimension. So if I say 3 dimension, it means that it has breadth, it has length, and it also has height. So this is called a cube. So here, this is an example of cube. This is a cube. This is also a cube. So you can notice that all the sides are equal. So if this is 1, then this is 1. If this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So we have sides as 1. Now, how does a cube work? So, for example, if you want to find the whole volume of this cube, you multiply length into breadth into height into 1 into 1. So it will give you 1 cube. That's how cube comes. So the word cube is used in geometry. It is a solid figure which has all its sides equal. So here, if this is 1, all the sides are equal. So length, breadth, height, all of them are equal, and they exist as three-dimensional solid figures.